Hello friend, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. Today we are going to download and install Anaconda in our Windows 11 machine. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, you have to open your browser and search for Anaconda. Download and hit enter, and after that just come to the first link. Here you can see the download option for Windows, MacBook and Linux. I'm using Windows, that's why I'm going to download this Windows version. Now just click here and it will start download. Now after install, just click on show in folder and just double click on it, and after that I just minimize this and I just minimize this. Okay, now after that just click on next and accept the term and condition. If you want to read, just read it, and after that agree and click on next. Before that just click on all user and after that click on next. It want your permission, then just provide yes here, and after that you have to browse where you want to install this in your computer. I just leave it by default, and after that click on next. After that just click on install. It takes some time and after that it will install in your machine. Okay, now we successfully install Anaconda. Just click on next and click on next and click on finish. After successful installation of Anaconda, just click on the Windows icon and click on all apps, and here you can see new Anaconda. Just click here and after that open Anaconda prompt. Now here just type conda info and hit enter. Here you can see all the information related to Conda. Conda is nothing but you install Python, then you can see we can install other package with the help of pip. It is something like that. Now after this just type here jupyter and then notebook, and after that hit enter. It will open Jupyter notebook in your machine. Just click on the browser you want to open it. I just type it Google and click on always. You can choose according to your need, and after that it will open in your machine of your browser that you selected. Okay, now here you can see Jupyter notebook is successfully open in my machine, and similarly you can use Conda and install NumPy, any package that you want to use. Okay, and install Anaconda in your machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.